little girl, little Nene. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do jiggly slime. You heard it, jiggly slime. It's super simple and super easy. You come to the right video, basically. I'm sorry if you hear songs. My mom just took a shower and a song, but yeah. So I just took a shower today. It's curly. I hate curly hair. Comment down below if you love straight hair, curly hair, or I don't know. But yeah, I wish my hair was straight. But oh well. That's how Jesus made me. I can afford it. Okay. So my kitty just watching me like a creepo. So she's right here. She's saying no, but whatever. Say hi. Oh well, that was weird, but okay. So let's get started to the video, shall we? Oh yeah, this is the pertinent part. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and yeah, that's all. So let's go. What? Okay. Yo. So I'm sorry about my table. It's cringe right now. I know. You don't have to say it in comments, but so yeah, you will need a little bowl or a big bowl. I don't know. And you will need water. And y'all will need glue. It's all the. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit because I just made slime today. So I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm just gonna make a little bit because like I just made slime today, as y'all can see. So and then and oh my god, I was gonna put that in. Ew, move. Okay, that's my hair. I don't know why I'm saying ew for, but yeah. And it's all you need a spoon. So just gonna mix a little bit. So and then you wanna add your water in. I feel like I should add more. And that's it. Okay, that's too much, but can I have the old bottle? Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I'm sorry I was recording and then it stopped. But yeah, you gotta add glue. Elmer's glue or whatever, and then you add water. Okay, so you add glue first, it's obvious, and then you add water. Okay, and once you mix a while, you want to get out your activator. So be right back. Okay, so I got my activator. Yeah, so I'm not gonna open it because it has a little hole that I made. It's too close right there, but yeah. So yeah, you want to put it in, not all of it, chill down, okay? And then you mix, it's obvious you do. You also a little bit of glue and crumbs in there, I guess. So yeah, so basically looks like, oh nice though. But yeah, you can see this. So yeah. See how it sounds so clear? More. Look at that. It's sticky. Okay, it's sticky. See, if you add a little bit and you add too much water, you put activator, it will go big. Now a little bit more. You're my hero, bye, bum, 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 bum. But yeah. I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, so it's done. So it didn't take me a while. It just took me like 1 second. But yeah, here it is. It is sticky. I would actually recommend this. Stay still. But it almost fogged. I want to do ASMR. There we go. Kind of. If it's still sticky like mine, go add more activator. I recommend, I guess, if you want it sticky. Just saying. Okay, you don't have to get more mad. Woo! I got the hands in there. Well, look at me. And yeah, and that's how you make jiggly slime. Not the biggest jiggly slime. If you want like a jiggly slime, you add a lot of water. Color is optional, but I do have coloring to put it on here, but I want to because I only have a little bit of food color. Well, they're not food color, but they're crayons, or should I mean markers? Yeah. I hate it when it's freaking sticky. Is my hands dirty to this? Well, it is dirty, actually. Just gonna add a little bit tiny more activator. Okay, that's too much. I should measure this the next time I make jiggly slime. Oh my god. There we go. Let's do ASMR. Ready? Oh well. Thank you girls and boys for watching my video. How to make jiggly slime. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. My room is messy, I know, don't judge please. Okay, so but yeah, hold up. Okay, bye.